Hello, we present myself a role-playing private tutorial in virtual reality environment. VR devices can collect diverse data such as eye gaze and body movement. This became one of the reasons VR devices were prone to privacy risk. Privacy policy shows potential privacy risk of users. However, most users almost don't read it and click the consent button. This action can cause privacy problems for users. Therefore, our study focused on solving usability problems of privacy policy in VR. We designed to provide a better user experience of privacy policy in VR, leading to more engagement. We selected the role-playing method for our tutorial. This is because previous studies revealed advantages of role-playing when learning other people's perspectives or promoting user critical thinking and creativity. In the privacy tutorial, users serve as a channel of collected data for each session. In session 1, the users can grab data balls that pulled out from the dummy door and throw them into VR content. The list of data is physical features, avatars, voice interaction, environment data, movement data, and third parties. The users can observe and understand the different types of data collected by VR content. In session 2, the users also can grab data balls from the data center and throw them into content providers or third parties. The list of data is in-app activities, avatars, voice interaction, social features, and Excel features. The users can learn how VR content utilize and distribute this data. Following this, we conducted a user study to determine whether our privacy tutorial has advantages compared to conventional privacy policy. We divided the subject into two groups to observe privacy awareness and usability for privacy tutorial. Each subject used either a privacy policy document or our privacy tutorial. These are our results. Both groups of users showed a similar amount of increase in privacy awareness. Compared to conventional privacy policy, our privacy tutorial showed significantly higher satisfaction, marginally higher usability, and lower rental burden. In conclusion, we propose a role-playing VR privacy tutorial that can complement current privacy policy with higher satisfaction. We will improve the privacy tutorial by conducting more precise and in-depth studies in the future.